Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to equip and unequip aura in Sailor Piece Roblox. You finally unlock a cool aura, head into the game expecting to look legendary, and then nothing shows up. If you're trying to equip or unequip an aura in Sailor Piece in Roblox, the process is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. What I usually do is open my inventory first, scroll through the items until I find the aura section. It should have its own icon, making it fairly easy to spot. Once you find the aura you want to use, click on it and select the equip option. If the aura still doesn't appear around your character afterward, don't assume it's bug right away. Head over to the settings menu and scroll down until you find the accessory related options. Look for a setting called hide aura and make sure it's turned off. I've seen players spend several minutes thinking their aura wasn't working when it was simply hidden in the settings. If you want to remove the aura later, just return to your inventory, select the equip aura, and choose unequip. That's all there is to it. And once the settings are configured correctly, swapping between different auras only takes a few seconds. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.